We bagged them.
Food's here. Food is
wait,
here.
hold on. Wait, no, I didn't order yet.
Oh, that's okay. I took care of the food already.
Yes, Dennis orders for us.
That is a humongous shrimp.
Well, it's because it's not a shrimp, Frank. It's a prawn.
Yeah, and I don't like prawns, so I eat around them.
Yeah.
Well, I'll take your prawns if you want to take my salad. No?
Okay, yeah, that's
Yeah,
what
you
I'll
can
do.
do that.
Wait,
Just put
why
your prawns over
don't
salad.
you just order what you want?
Well, Dennis kind of has the best palate.
Yeah, I have the most refined palate, Schmitty. That's just how we do things now. You've been away for a while. It's fine.
No, that's not what I'm gonna do. Excuse me. Hey, come here really quick. Can I get, you have linguine? Yeah, can I get linguine instead? And what do you guys want? Order whatever you want.
Linguine's too heavy for lunch.
No, what do you want?
I want fries.
Fries for this guy.
I can have fries?
Oh, you
Yeah,
don't like your
absolutely.
salad all of a sudden, Mac?
Dennis, I hate salad.
You hate salad.
Yeah,
Where
I
is this
didn't wanna
coming
say
from?
anything.
I hate this restaurant.
Yeah, this restaurant blows.
I'll have a ginger ale.
All right, there you go.
Yeah.
Come on, man, get into it. Nice.
I'm saying that now. Can I say that now?
What?
Yeah!
Absolutely, take it. That's yours. Yeah, by all means.
All right.
Did you get a ginger ale?